So the patient is presently lying on its back. It's less than a week old. As you can see, it's sustained damage to the front left motor. If we have a look here, you can see that we have two connections on it. A red one going in there, but just out of shot here is a black wire that is not connected up to here. But my question is this. There's the black wire. There's the red wire coming from the power supply. The black wire should be connected here. The red wire is correctly connected over this side. The question is, what is this component here? What's that component there? Connected across both terminals.